In January 2005, a small probe made history. It plunged through the thick orange haze of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and landed on a world no human-made object had ever touched before. This was the Huygens lander, delivered by NASA's Cassini spacecraft. And it sent back a flood of data that scientists are still unpacking today.
Ho, ho, ho!
Among all the incredible images and measurements, one photograph, taken just 8 kilometers from the surface, continues to spark debate. It shows a network of branching channels, unmistakably carved by a liquid. But what liquid on Earth? We'd assume it was water, but Titan is unimaginably cold, with an average temperature of minus 179 degrees Celsius.
Ho, ho, ho!
At that temperature, water is as hard as rock. The leading theory, liquid methane on Titan. Methane behaves just like water does here. It rains from the sky, flows in rivers, and pools into massive lakes. The Huygens probe landed in what looked like a dried-up riverbed, made of icy pebbles.
Ho, ho, ho!
It was a bizarre, yet familiar landscape, confirming that other worlds can have Earth-like processes, just with completely different ingredients. What makes Titan even more fascinating is its chemistry. Its atmosphere is mostly nitrogen with a bit of methane, similar to what scientists think early Earth was like before life emerged.
Ho, ho, ho!
The hazy orange sky is filled with complex organic molecules called tholins, which are considered potential building blocks for life. Huygens detected these carbon-rich compounds, but found no signs of biology. This has led scientists to wonder, is Titan a prebiotic world, frozen in time, holding the secrets to how life begins?
Ho, ho, ho!
Or is it just fundamentally alien? It's a natural laboratory for studying the chemistry that precedes life. The Huygens mission itself was incredibly short. After its 2.5-hour descent, it survived on the surface for just 72 minutes before its batteries died. But in that brief window, it completely changed our understanding of the outer solar system.
Ho, ho, ho!
It gave us our one and only ground-level view of an alien moon beyond Mars. Yet, that single, mysterious image of the river channels left us with more questions than answers. Were these channels carved by recent methane rain, ancient floods, or something else entirely? Like icy volcanoes. To solve these mysteries, NASA is sending a new mission called Dragonfly.
Ho, ho, ho!
Scheduled to arrive in the mid-2030s, Dragonfly isn't a stationary lander. It's a nuclear-powered, car-sized drone that will fly from location to location across Titan's surface. For years, it will hop between dozens of sites, analyzing the ground and searching for the chemical signatures of life.
Ho, ho, ho!
It will explore ancient terrains and vast dune fields, turning Huygens' 90-minute snapshot into a long-term planetary expedition. Dragonfly will seek to answer the ultimate question: could life, or the chemistry that leads to it, exist on this strange, frozen world?
Ho, ho, ho!
Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about space exploration as I am, be sure to follow for more stories from across our solar system.
Ho, ho, ho!